Sanders was born in 1890 in Hanover. When he was 6 years old, his father passed away, leaving Sanders to cook and care for his siblings. In seventh grade, he dropped out of school and left home to go work as a farmhand, already turning into a tough cookie. At 16, he faked his age to enlist in the United States Army. After being honorably discharged a year later, he got hired by the railway as a laborer. However, he got fired for fighting with a coworker. While he worked for the railway, he studied law until he ran his legal career by getting into another fight. Sanders was forced to move back in with his mom and get a job selling life insurance. And guess what? He got fired for insubordination. But this guy wouldn't give up. In 1920, he founded a ferry boat company. Later, he tried chasing in his ferry boat business to create a lamp manufacturing company, only to find out that another company already sold a better version of his lamp. Poor guy couldn't catch a break. It was until age 40 that he began selling chicken dishes in a service station. As he began to advertise his food, an argument with a competitor resulted in a deadly shootout. 4 years later, he bought a motel which burned to the ground along with his restaurant. Yet, his determination man rebuilt and ran a new motel until World War II forced him to close it down. Following the war, he tried to franchise his restaurant. His recipe was rejected 1,009 times before anyone accepted it. Sanders' secret recipe was coined Kentucky Fried Chickens and quickly became a hit. However, the booming restaurant was crippled when an interstate opened nearby, so Sanders sold it and pursued his dream of spreading KFC franchise, hiring KFC workers all across the country. After years of failures and misfortunes, Sanders finally hit a big. KFC expanded internationally and he sold the company for $2 million. Even today, Sanders remains central in KFC branding and his face still appears in their logo. His gaudy white suit and western string tie continue to symbolize delicious country fried chicken all over the world. At the age of 90, Sanders passed away from pneumonia. At that time, there was around 6,000 KFC locations in 48 countries. By 2013, there was an estimated 18,000 KFC locations in 108 countries. Wow, what a big achievement! If you're overwhelmed by rejection or discouraged by setbacks, remember the story of culinary Harlan Sanders.